I also was there, and I heard people practicing this thing and singing also, Buddhist practice. And I was living also nearby, and I used to go in the morning, and I liked it very much. This way of practice, meditation, is very much I liked. It is good. So it is only that you have to keep quiet. There they sing loudly. But what I believe is, if you do not make noise, it is the best meditation. So if the other, I have seen the Buddhists, they do this kind of practice, but they shout, you see. And you just keep quiet. When the thought arises in your mind, you suppress it. Don't use that thought again and don't look at it. Then you can enjoy the same practice. And there also I think they would have meant to keep quiet. And if you shout on the top of your voice, even then you are quiet. You don't think when you are shouting. So either keep quiet or shout. It is same thing, because when you shout you get fatigued and you keep quiet, you see. So the actual meaning and the purpose of this method is just to keep quiet, you see. How long you can bark? You can try someday. When you are angry with a man, you go on shouting. Then after that you keep quiet, you see. Actually, this is the method given by Lord Buddha. That was his experience. He was always keeping quiet if people are shouting at him, because many other people who did not like him, the Buddhism was a new religion, and other religions were Hinduism, and they were shouting with the bhajans. And Buddha did not tell them to shout. Just keep quiet. You see, this is the teaching of Lord Buddha. And most people there in your country are Buddhists also. And Buddhism is catching up in that country now. So you carry on with this, and if you keep quiet, when you go next time to your country, you can rent some room or a house a little outside of the noisy place, and the people will come and then they join you. And this can be the best method to keep the people happy of that country, you see. So one man, the Buddha was just one man, and how he could teach by not shouting, simply keeping quiet at the end of the town and of a country, you see. So it is because I lived there in that country, therefore I like the people are very simple and happy people are there. Okay, sure. It is always possible to live in freedom and quiet and happy always. It's not difficult, but you mistrust it and misuse it, you see. So you have to, when you are sleeping, are you not happy? When asleep, are you not happy? And if you are, what practice did you do? In the morning, people are very angry and fighting with each other, and they are not happy. And the doctor gives them a tablet of sleeping dose, and they don't shout anymore. So quietness is the best meditation. How long you can shout? The more you shout, the more you get annoyed. So it is very best meditation is to keep quiet. It will not only give you quietness, it will make others also quiet. Just now I was speaking about Buddha. He was very quiet person. People may be shouting and fighting and abusing him. He was quiet. So keep quiet is the best medicine that I always prescribe to the people. If someone even slaps you on your face, and then if you shout, you are also in trouble and you are not happy about it. Therefore, if somebody slaps you, and even in Christianity they say, if somebody slaps you on one cheek, give the other one in front of him. So that is all he said, but nobody knows the meaning, but I know the meaning, you see, of this. Offer you another cheek also, so that how long a man can slap you? His hand will pain and he will keep quiet later on. So best way of keeping quiet is to stay as you are. Don't shout, and don't abuse the people who trouble you. Best way is to keep quiet is the best way of meditation, and very easy. You have not to carry any other article of music or something to keep quiet. As you keep quiet in the night, you don't have any drums to play. Night, you are quiet and you wake up very happy next morning. So what I prescribe is this: anybody abuses you, keep quiet. And wish well even of your enemies, the people who trouble you. You wish them well, O God, give them happiness and give them all pleasures of life. This is the best way how to be happy in this world. And after that also you will keep happy. And Buddha was there, the people troubled him. But even now he is giving happiness. The people troubled him, you see, they killed him also. But even now he is source of happiness. So if somebody has slapped you on the face and you remember it and you can't sleep in the night, and you go to react, even you take your friends, you take a revenge from this man and you go with sticks to beat him, but you can't be happy with this process. Therefore, forget what has happened to you this morning, forget, and you can sleep very well.